What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here, back with another video. This video, what I want to do today is I want to show you how to make $100 per day with 15 seconds worth of work. If you don't have a lot of time, if you want to make a lot of money, this is what you need to be doing. The strategy that I'm going to show you in today's video is absolutely free. It doesn't cost you a thing. So if you like new ways to make money online, you're looking for ways to make money without spending money, first, make sure you smash that thumbs up button and let's jump into the video. So let's talk about the 3 things you need in order to make money using this strategy. The first thing, phone, whiteboard, and a whiteboard marker. That's it. If you have those 3 things, you're well on your way to making money using this exact strategy. So what exactly is this strategy? Let me explain. What we do is we take our whiteboard right here. We take our whiteboard and we're going to write a quote. The quote is a very short quote, usually less than 10 words. You might draw a picture. It takes you less than 15 seconds to do the quote. Okay? I'm going to show you a quote in just a second, show you something that I did just recently. Okay? And it is a very easy strategy. I think a lot of people, when they watch this video, can be like, wow, I didn't realize it's that simple. And it is. So what we're going to be doing is, all we're going to do is write down a quote on the whiteboard. Here's how you make money. What we're going to do is we're going to reach out to some, maybe some influential, more popular Instagram accounts, Instagram owners. And what we're going to do is offer to sell them a quote of the day. A specific quote, maybe a saying, some type of, maybe they have a saying. And we're going to offer to write it out on the whiteboard, make a very simple video. You can add any audio if you want. You can say the quote, or you can just add something like a little bit of background music. But that's all you do. Okay? All you need is a phone. If you have an iPhone, you can record it. Hold it over your whiteboard and record it. Add some audio to it, and there you go. You have less than a 15-second video, and you send it off to your client, and they pay you for it. Now, in just a minute, I'm going to jump into the computer and I'm going to show you how you can go and find clients that will pay you to do this exact same thing, okay? So first, let me show you what a video like this would look like. So do you see how simple and how basic that little video was? That's all you have to do. Now, how much can you charge for something like this? Now, video gets more engagement, gets a better response than single posts, than just static posts, don't do anything, no movement. So what I recommend you do, you can easily charge $3 for a simple 15-second video. Okay? Now you're probably wondering, okay, that's great. Now I know I can charge. How do I get paid? Simple, PayPal. Just get your money through PayPal. Very simple. $3, $4, $5, whatever you want to charge. Make a little bundle. Do 5 for 10. Do whatever you want. All right. Make it unique. Make it different. Add some images to some of these videos. Speed up the video if you want to. Do whatever you want. I just showed you a very simple, basic little writing. Okay. Don't wait. Take action. Sell it. That's all you gotta do. So now, let's jump into the computer and let me show you how you go about finding people like this. How you can go about getting them to pay you, and how you get them to actually go through with it. A lot of people say, yeah, that sounds good, sounds cool, that sounds like a unique idea, but maybe now's not the time. Now's the time. Now's the time for anybody that has a social media presence online. Now's the time to capitalize on it. So this is what you need to do, all right? Let's jump on the computer and I'll show you right now. So once we're on Instagram, what we want to do is we want to go find somebody that's willing to pay for our quote, okay? So what I recommend you do is don't write the quote yet, okay? Don't do it yet. Don't make the videos yet. You can, but I wouldn't suggest it. I'd say wait till you have a client and then see what kind of content they create and then create that type of content. So here's what we do. So we come up here and I type in motivational quote, right? Something simple like that. Motivational quotes right there. What we want to do is we want to find somebody that does quotes. We want to find somebody that does something very similar. So, and probably a bigger channel, bigger account. So probably somebody that has, I'd say, at least over maybe 30 to 50,000 followers. Okay, Probably not be anybody down here. Let's see. Looks like it's all the same account. The choice box. We'll see. So no. Let's do motivational quote. Okay. Motivational quote right there. Okay. Let's go down. Find the tag. Did I pass it? There it is. Motivational quote. Right there. Now, here's what we're going to do. Come over here and we'll just find somebody that has a decent size account. Could be any of these. So you pick this one right here, right? Daily reminder. Cool. This kind of looks like something that we could do. This one has 512,000 followers. Now, is this going to be the best one? Probably not. I don't even know what language that's in, so I wouldn't go with this person, but we can go and find somebody else. See what this one is. Might be the same person. Daily reminder. All right. Okay. Let's get out of that. Let's try to find something different. Let's go with this one. See. Okay. Daily gym quotes. We could do that one as well. Okay. 32,000. All we gotta do is send them a message and see. Hey, I see that you're doing some quotes online on Instagram. What would you say if I told you I could do 10 quotes for $5? What would you say? Would you be willing to pay for that? A lot of people would. Okay, so let's say we come here and say, okay, yeah, enjoy the difficulty, love the process. What if we wrote that down on our whiteboard? What if we wrote it down right here on our whiteboard? Okay, trusty whiteboard, and made it into a video? Because if we look, let's see, do they have any videos here? Let's look and see. Here's one right here. Okay, it's a TikTok one, but there's one right there. Okay, what if we took something like this? It's never too late and you're never too old to become better. What if we wrote that down and made it into a video? I bet it would have got more comments, would have got more likes on the video. People would have watched it more, because I can tell right here, this one had 1,400 views on the video. 2 comments. We can make that better. I know we can make that better. Look, there's 26 comments, 4,200 views. This one right here, 6 comments, 670 likes. So we could easily write, love yourself enough to live a healthy lifestyle. We could easily write that on our whiteboard and charge for it. Okay? So all you gotta do, you can make over $100 per day creating 15-second videos. In 15 seconds worth of work, you can easily do this, right? It doesn't take that much. Again, like I said, if you have an iPhone, use iMovie. iMovie is absolutely free. You can start making money. You can take your quotes, you can find them all online. You can write them on your whiteboard, record it on your phone, okay, and send it off to your client. You get paid through PayPal. Very simple. Okay, it doesn't take a lot. Let's say you do, fitness videos, right? Let's say fat to fit, right? Let's type that in, fat to fit. Let's see what comes up. Okay, and all we want to do is we want to find somebody here. Doesn't matter who. Okay, as long as somebody has a decent amount of followers, okay, we can probably get them to pay us to create these different posts or videos for them. It's very simple. Okay, now I haven't created let's say thousands. I haven't created hundreds. Okay, on one of my accounts on Instagram, I probably created about, I think, a little bit under 80 of these. Okay, they work really well. I've also started creating some of these for other people. Okay, and I charge $4 for every single one. I don't write them all. Usually I hire them out, and it's $4 for every single one that I create. We add some copyright free video or audio, so that we don't got to worry about somebody getting in trouble because of the audio. Whether they put it on Instagram, put it on Facebook, maybe they mix it in over on YouTube, whatever. Okay, they're okay to reuse that audio. So just keep that in mind. Okay, we can come here and let's say this person right here. Okay, 1 week progress. Maybe she is promoting a course. Maybe she's promoting the 21-day meal plan right here. What we could do is we could come over here and say, hey, whatever her name is, I'm not sure what her name is. Hey, Tiffany. I think I've actually seen one of her videos on YouTube, but hey, Tiffany, I see you're doing this. One of the things that I do is such and such. I create these little whiteboard style videos that write down a motivational quote or whatever. I think it would really benefit your channel, your account. Here's what I do, here's what I charge. What do you think, right? Something simple, something basic like that is all you have to do. Now, if you want to become successful using this exact strategy, you can. But here's a couple tips for you to become more successful and make more money. The number one tip is not everyone's going to say, okay, yes, I would love for you to do that. Please do it. Send me them here and I'll be glad to pay you. Not everyone is that accepting of this method. A lot of people are just accepting of the regular, this is the post I want, create this post, I'll post it. That's not necessarily the way things are going to work moving on in the future. A lot of things are moving towards video. You've already seen that on Instagram, you've seen it on Facebook, you see it with YouTube. Okay, everyone is going towards video. So because that, you need to create more videos than static posts, all right? It's just that simple, it's that basic. Create more videos, you're gonna make more money. So what I suggest is get in front of these people, send them a DM over on Instagram, send them an email if they give their email address, and get in front of them. Let them know what you do, how you can help out their brand or their account, and what you charge. If you can answer those things, most of these people are going to at least give you the chance to show them what you do. The second piece of advice that I have for you guys is don't sell these one at a time. Don't say, hey, I charge $3 or $2 for every single one of these videos that I create. Don't do that. What I recommend you do is sell these in batches of at least 5. Okay? Don't sell them for less than $2 a piece. Okay? 5 for $10, or do it for like 10, or do 12 for $20, something like that, right? Because, and I say this because you need to make more money. It's going to be very hard to go out there and find, let's say 1,000 people to pay you to do one each, okay? What I recommend is you sell them at a deep discount, such as like $2 a piece. You do 5, 10 of them, 15, whatever you decide, and sell these in bulk to one single person. And the reason I say this is because they're already creating content. They don't have to put one of these videos on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. They could easily do one Monday, Wednesday, Friday. They do one Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. It's really up to them how they want to space them out. But I do suggest they space them out, because if people see the same style of video every single post, they're probably not going to be as engaged. But if they see it every once in a while, that's usually where the engagement goes up, right? The last thing I want to say is that you don't just have to do this on Instagram. You can do this on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, even on YouTube. And again, that's the reason why you need to make sure you're using music that doesn't have a copyright to it. If you do that, okay, and somebody decides to stick it over on YouTube, then the problem is, well, now they're going to get that copyright strike. So don't do that, okay? Don't make that mistake. Now, again, when I say you can do this on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, all the other platforms, Snapchat, wherever you want to, right? You can. It's not hard. You don't have to make it to one specific social media platform. You don't have to make it just for YouTube or just for Instagram or just for TikTok. Just make it. And wherever they decide to put it, that's fine with you. Like I said, this is something you can do, and you only need 3 items: a phone, a whiteboard, and a whiteboard marker. If you have those 3 things, you can make money using this exact strategy. What you can't do, okay, what you cannot do using this strategy is try to sell these simple videos for hundreds of dollars a piece. It's just not going to work. Nobody is going to pay you $100 to create a 15-second video. It's just not going to happen. But here's my last tip if you're still watching. One of the things you can do, hire somebody to create these videos for you. Go to a website called Fiverr.com and look for a whiteboard video, okay? And some of these people will easily pay, okay? You can easily pay them to create a whiteboard style video, writing the quote that you tell them. They will easily do that, okay? And it doesn't cost a lot of money. So if you have any questions on this entire strategy, let me know. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. I'm here to help you out any way that I can. But again, this strategy does work, but you have to find the right accounts. So if you find one account, they're gonna pay you $10 a month. Cool. Find a second account, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 10 different accounts, all paying you, let's say $100 a month to create different style whiteboard videos for you. That's a decent amount of income. That's a decent income for most people. So again, if you have any questions, ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video and you learned a new strategy, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.